Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly, while others struggle financially no matter how hard they work? It's a puzzling phenomenon, isn't it? But the secret behind it is not as elusive as you might think. The answer lies in something called money mindset. Money mindset is essentially our beliefs, attitudes, and ideas about money. It's how we perceive money, how we feel about it, and how we use it. And it's incredibly important. Why? Because our money mindset shapes our financial decisions, influences our spending habits, and ultimately determines our financial health. There are, however, some common misconceptions about money mindset. Some believe that it's all about the law of attraction or simply willing wealth into existence. While a positive outlook can certainly be beneficial, it's not just about wishful thinking. It's about understanding money, respecting it, and making informed financial decisions. Another critical aspect of money mindset is the concept of scarcity versus abundance. A scarcity mindset is when we believe there's never enough money, leading us to live in constant fear of financial ruin. On the other hand, an abundance mindset is when we believe there's plenty of wealth to go around. This allows us to see opportunities instead of obstacles, to take calculated risks instead of playing it safe out of fear. But it's important to remember that having an abundance mindset doesn't mean being reckless with money. It's about being open to possibilities, being proactive in seeking opportunities, and being confident in our ability to create wealth. Our beliefs about money can have a profound impact on our financial situation. If we believe that money is hard to come by, we're likely to struggle financially. But if we believe that we have the power to create wealth, we're more likely to attract financial success. So, if you've been struggling financially, or if you simply want to improve your financial situation, it's time to take a closer look at your money mindset. Remember, the first step towards financial success is understanding that your money mindset plays a crucial role. Did you know that your subconscious beliefs about money might be holding you back from achieving financial freedom? Every day, we navigate our lives carrying an invisible backpack filled with our beliefs about money. These beliefs are often formed in childhood, shaped by the attitudes and behaviors of those around us. Some of them serve us well, while others can be a significant roadblock to financial success. One common belief that can trip us up is the idea that money is the root of all evil. This belief can lead us to fear money, to avoid it, or to feel guilty when we have it. Imagine for a moment a woman named Alice. She grew up in a household where money was always tight and was often associated with stress and conflict. As an adult, Alice unconsciously associates money with negative emotions, leading her to avoid dealing with her finances and thereby sabotaging her financial stability. Another damaging belief is the notion that one must work hard to earn money. Now, don't get me wrong, hard work is essential. However, this belief can lead us to undervalue our worth and overwork ourselves to the point of burnout. Consider the case of Bob, a talented graphic designer who works long hours but barely makes ends meet. Bob believes that he must work hard to earn his money, and as a result, he undercharges for his services and overworks himself. The belief that we're not good with money can also be a significant hindrance. This belief can become a self-fulfilling prophecy, leading us to make poor financial decisions that reinforce the idea. Take the example of Carol, who always believed she was bad with money. She never bothered to learn about finances, leading her to make poor investment choices and struggle with debt. Money beliefs are powerful, and they can shape our financial habits for better or worse. But the good news is, these beliefs are not set in stone. They can be changed. Changing your money beliefs requires awareness, reflection, and a commitment to change. By understanding and challenging our negative money beliefs, we can start to rewrite our financial story. Are you ready to transform your financial future? It all starts with your mindset. The first strategy to improve your money mindset is visualization. Picture yourself living the financial life you want. Imagine the freedom, the choices, the opportunities. Visualization is a powerful tool for motivation, making your financial dreams more tangible and pushing you to take action towards achieving them. Next, affirmations. These are positive, present tense statements that you repeat to yourself daily. They help reprogram your subconscious mind and replace negative beliefs with positive ones. It could be something as simple as saying, "I am financially responsible," or "I am creating a life of abundance." The key is to say it, believe it, and act upon it. Education is also crucial. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, or take online courses. The more you understand about money, the more confident and empowered you'll feel to make sound financial decisions. Goal setting is another powerful strategy. What do you want your financial life to look like in 5, 10, or 20 years? Set clear, specific, and realistic financial goals, then create a plan to achieve them. Goals give you a roadmap, and every step you take towards them strengthens your money mindset. Finally, developing a budget is vital. A budget is a plan for your money. It helps you see where your money is going, identify areas where you can save, and ensure you're living within your means. It's not about restriction, but about making conscious decisions about how you want to spend and save your money. Each of these strategies has a role to play in improving your money mindset. They help you shift from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset, from fear to confidence, from confusion to clarity. And remember, this isn't an overnight process. It takes time, patience, and consistency, but the rewards are worth it. Remember, improving your money mindset is a journey, not a destination. Financial freedom is not a dream, it's a journey, and it starts with your mindset. Making the leap towards financial freedom can seem daunting, like standing at the foot of a massive mountain. But remember, even the longest journey begins with a single step. Small, consistent actions can lead to big changes over time, and it all starts with your mindset. What does this mean? It means that instead of focusing on the daunting size of the mountain, you focus on the path in front of you, one step at a time. It means recognizing that money is not a source of stress or worry, but a tool that can be harnessed to create the life you want. It's important to cultivate patience and persistence on this journey. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is financial freedom. It's a process, and it's okay to take your time. It's okay to start small. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small it may seem. Every step forward is a victory. It's proof that you're moving in the right direction. And while there might be setbacks, they're not failures. They're opportunities to learn, to grow, to become stronger. Setbacks are a normal part of the process. Don't let them discourage you. Instead, use them as stepping stones to propel you forward. Each setback is a lesson learned, a valuable piece of information that brings you closer to your goal. The journey to financial freedom is not a straight line. It's a winding path with its ups and downs. But every step you take, every setback you overcome, brings you closer to your destination. And while the journey may be challenging, it's also rewarding. It's a journey of self-discovery, of personal growth. It's a journey that can empower you to take control of your financial future, to live life on your own terms. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Embrace it, enjoy it, and remember, your mindset is the key. Remember, your money mindset shapes your financial future. It's time to reflect on your beliefs about money. Is it a friend or a foe, a tool or a trap? It's time to start working on improving your money mindset, using the strategies we've discussed. Don't just watch, act. The journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with others who might benefit. Together, we can change our money mindsets and create a future of financial freedom.